Good afternoon, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. My name is Scott. Today we're going to do an unboxing of some shaving products that I've ordered. A couple different vendors here. So the first one box probably looks familiar. It says Maggards all over it. So yes, we have some soap samples. So when I show you these two, basically just realize that all these soap samples that I buy go into a giveaway. I've currently got a giveaway that expires on Saturday now. So if you haven't entered it yet, go look it up. Because that will expire on Saturday noontime, Eastern Standard Time. Here we go. Let's see here. So what did I get in the mail today? Let's see. Or mail this week. It wasn't today. It was this week. Okay. So, okay. And I did get. I got myself a sent one. I no longer give away aftershaves because I can't ship them internationally. So I just don't. If I get one, it's just for me or friends, what have you. So I give it away locally. I don't give it away in a contest. But I got a classic little Captain's Choice sandalwood. Wanted to see what that smelled like. And of course, I got like 6 soaps in an envelope. I'm going to leave them in here, but just so you see them, they're all samples. They're all samples that hold enough soap for probably like 5 shaves. That's what they hold. That's how long they last me. I'm going to scoop out with my little trusty clean spoon. I'm going to scoop out and put it in a bowl, whip it up, and the rest of that sample will go in a box I keep in another room here until I get a bunch of them. Then I'll have another giveaway. So yeah, I hit 500 subscribers, so I said I'd give a giveaway, and I announced that like a week ago or so-ish. So it goes until Saturday. So yeah, so these will go in the next one. So it won't go in the one that's currently running, but it'll go in the next one. So there we go. Now, what I get from this is Razor Emporium. Oh, you can tell, yeah, it says it all over the tape too on that one. Okay. There we go. Okay, receipt on top. Bunch of peanuts. How do we get rid of the peanuts without making a big mess? Transfer them to the other box. Now, let's see, what did I get in here? What did I get in here? Oh, okay. One of the things I got too, because after watching a few other videos from fellow creators, content creators, I was looking at razor blades. So I'm trying some razor blades. I'm trying Gillette Platinum. So yeah, I use the silver blue as my favorite, but I've heard this Gillette Platinum's pretty good too. So I wanted to try it. I've also heard about, let's see, well actually, original, let's see here. What do we got here? What the heck is this? Kai Razor. I don't think I ordered that. I think they threw that in. I don't think I ordered that. And then I got some Iridium Supers and Bolzano, what, Super Inox, whatever that is. Okay. I didn't order that either. And then, of course, some good old feathers. So I think I ordered the Gillettes, but I think they just kind of gave me all the rest. So thank you very much, Razor Emporium. I do appreciate that. And to go with that, okay. Oh, this came into, I wasn't expecting this. I got this vintage looking handle. So it looks like an old Gillette ball-in tech handle is what it looks like, but it's not. This is one that this one's actually solid, so it's not hollow. So there's a little bit more, and it's not real weighty, but you can tell there's a significant difference between the weight of this and the weight of a ball-in tech. Size-wise, it's about the same, so it's tiny. It's not real big. I'm thinking 3 inches at most, so not huge, really not huge. Nice knurling. I love that knurling. Wow, that knurling is way better than the original. Well, 50 years later when I bought it, it's way better than that. So I don't know what it was like when it was new. But anyway, I love the knurling on that. And this is going to go on my Phoenix razor, my, what do they call that thing? That one that has the, not plastic, but it's called, what's that plastic from the 50s called? It escapes me now, but it's going to go on a vintage looking razor that I bought from Phoenix that has the plastic handle and has the gold plated top cap, and I am just totally forgetting what razor that is. I just saw it yesterday, as a matter of fact, and it's blanked. I'm sorry, but this is what I got this for. I thought this would give that razor just a little tick of more heft, metal. I just kind of wanted to do that, so that's what I got that for. And the last thing I got from Razor Emporium is not any kind of repro. It's a brand new razor, the Dovo, the single edge. So let's look at this sucker. Okay, I just took that out. Comes with some Dovo blades. Are they German, I assume? Let me see. Manufactured in Germany, yep. So Dovo has their own blades. I won't try it on a new shave, and a new razor. I don't do that. Oh, let's see. Let me see if I can get this out of here. Sorry, I'm trying to get the box out of here. Not super fancy boxing, but, you know, efficient German boxing. Oh, that thing is gorgeous. Double edge razor. I'm sorry, it is a double edge. I was thinking I ordered another single edge. I've got my eye on the single edge. With that one that's kind of new, a new razor out there. That I'm looking. I am looking at a new. But besides that, well, let's forget about that. Let's not transgress. This feels nice. There's some good heft to this. That's actually surprisingly easy to hold on to. That it's very thin, not very deep cuts into that. But well, yeah, I got a dry hand, but it feels pretty grippy. I'm kind of amazed by that. And the razor is gorgeous. It's like looking at a new Edwin Jagger. That's how pretty this thing is. So if you ever bought a brand new Edwin Jagger, those things just come out with such gorgeous chrome. This thing looks beautiful. I guess I wasn't expecting to look this pretty. That looks gorgeous. That is nice looking. I'm gonna open it up and see. Handle it's a nice weight. I think it's sub 100 grams, but it's not a lot sub 100 grams. Okay, the top cap and the base plate are thin. They are thin. And not real weighty, so yeah, probably not stainless steel, but boy, those are gorgeous. Classic design, flat pegs there. And of course, it just evens up with the bottom there. Sorry, pointing towards the camera. There we go. That is a tall post there too for loading that up. And the threads don't go to the top. Interesting the way they did that. Interesting. But that feels nice. That just feels nice. So yes, very much interested in doing that. And let me pause while, oh, I just remembered the razor that I got this for is called the Artifact from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. That's what this is for. You know, if I pause, I bet I could run in the other room and go get it. So why don't I do that? Hold on one sec. Okay, back again, guys. Yeah, the door's open. It's only me and the dog home right now. So, but this is the Artifact razor as it comes, and that's called Bakelite. That's what that plastic is called. It's a Bakelite. It's basically it's plastic from the 50s. That's what that is. I think maybe 40s, but 50s for sure. I remember Bakelite in the 60s, and car parts being made out of Bakelite and things like that. I remember that Bakelite plastic. So let's take this off. And say, at least this handle does come with a brass insert, which is nice. And all we're going to do is take this handle. A little snug. It does go on snug, but it goes on. It goes on fine. And it goes all the way down, and that's snugged on there. That snugs up kind of nice. That is snug. So I got this to do this. That's what I did this for. And it's a brass handle with a gold plated, but that was my intent for buying this handle. And I'll try it, and if I don't like it, you know, I'll put it on something else, what have you too. But I like the knurling on that. That feels really good. As opposed to just, basically just a smooth plastic, slippery handles. That's why I didn't care for it. It was just, I love the idea of the Bakelite and the retro materials. I love that. Love that Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, folks. But I wanted a little grip. So if this had like a little knurling on it, I think I wouldn't have replaced it. But yeah, I wanted just a little something to hold on to. So that's what I did. So that's why I bought that. So I just thought you would get a kick out of seeing it. That's all. And with that, I hope you enjoyed the limited unboxings today. But with that, go with God.